Good afternoon, everyone. I'm sorry for the lack of fan videos, but here it is. This is one of the knockoff of a Massey fan. As you can see, the color is purple up front, and the back one is gray. The date code on this fan is from December 2018, and it is made in China. Chung Yuan Electric Co. Ltd. 9-inch personal box fan model MBF-918 Intertech. As you can see, warning: to reduce the risk of electric shock and injury to persons, do not use in the window. As you notice, it's got 3 speeds, one on the left side and one on the other side. So, without further ado, let's turn this fan on. Medium, which is speed number 2. And high, which is speed number 3. You can see it moves pretty good air. Not bad at all. Off. Spin down time. Here's the startup sound. There. You can see it's got a fuse plug right here. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.